Guys, look at this. This is crazy right here. A little eerie and scary, but check this out. Then I like to do a couple of moves, the exact same move. So I kind of I would just tilt it up and then I pulled back, tilt it up, pull back. Do that a couple of times. So when I go to edit it, they'll be all kind of like, the motion will be synced. It'll be very easy to edit those cuts together. Yo guys, what up? Me Patrick Levar. So I'm out here doing some gimbal practice today. I've got the Hohem iSTEADY X. It's a super small gimbal that fits in my pocket. I posted it on Instagram. I'm just gonna be going out and getting some shots. I'm out with the family on a family outing and just grabbing some shots, gimbal practice. I always like to put something in the foreground just to add a little bit more depth to the shot. I'll do the same gimbal move, but without having the rock in there, and you'll see the difference. So here was we had this in the foreground. This was my focal point over there, and we just came out. If I was move away from that and do the same movement, it just doesn't have the same effect, unlike being back here. This I like to get down low, have the gimbal here. I'm going to put it in full lock mode. Make sure you're nice and centered up, and go. Too much shaky, not smooth enough. It's hard to do the real low angle with this gimbal here because it's so small. So here we're going to try it again. I want to be a little bit more smooth, get my better gimbal walk, and go. Up, nope, stop. I don't like how it tilted down. I want that. Let's try to keep my tilt from tilting down, and go. Slow in. Didn't like that when I tilted up. This time I'm gonna go straight. As I get to the building, I'm gonna tilt up to the building. Get my horizon right about there. Lock my exposure and go. And we're gonna tilt up as we get closer to the building. Starting to tilt. Boom. So that hyperlapse, I basically put the gimbal in full lock mode, got my center focal point, and just walked, put it in stock hyperlapse mode, and just went at it. That was a really cool shot. So the place that I'm at now is like this place where it has like all the World Heritage spots in a miniaturized version. I'm on the Great Wall of China right now, and the other place we got Egypt over here in the corner. So just grabbing a bunch of shots here, going full gimbal mode. There's my daughter over there in China. Hi, buddy. And we're here on the Great Wall. Cool place.